In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in ClickUp. A content calendar is an essential tool for organizing your team's projects, staying on top of deadlines, and ensuring that your content strategy stays on track. Whether you're managing blog posts, social media campaigns, or video production, ClickUp makes it easy to create and customize a content calendar that fits your team's specific workflow. Stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional calendar ready to help you plan and execute your content like a pro. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to your team space, which you'll find in the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you're there, locate the name of your team space and look for a small three-dot icon right next to it. Click on that icon to open a menu of options. From the menu, go ahead and select the template option. This will give you access to ClickUp's powerful pre-designed templates that can save you time and effort. Next, click on Browse Templates to open up the template gallery, where you'll see a wide variety of options tailored to different workflows and needs. Now, in the search bar at the top of the gallery, type Content Calendar. This will filter the results and show you only the templates that are relevant to building a content calendar. Take a few moments to review the available options and find the one that best aligns with your team's workflow. Once you've identified the perfect template, select it to move forward. When you're ready, click Use Template to start the setup process. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your calendar. Be specific and clear with your naming so it's easy to identify later. For example, you could name it something like 2025 Content Calendar, Team XYZ. This will help avoid any confusion, especially if your team uses multiple calendars. Once you've named your calendar, it's time to customize it. ClickUp allows you to tailor the template to your team's unique needs. You can adjust things like colors, task statuses, or even add custom dates to match your content strategy. Take your time here to make sure the layout and settings work perfectly for your workflow. When you're satisfied with your customizations, click Use Template again to finalize and activate the calendar within your team space. Your calendar is now ready to be used. You can locate the calendar in your team space, and if you need to make any last-minute adjustments, you can edit the name or settings directly. This level of flexibility ensures your content calendar remains dynamic and adaptable as your team's needs evolve. Finally, remember to update any sections of the template consistently whenever changes are made. This will help maintain organization and ensure that everyone on your team is on the same page. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.